We're here with a great deal for you, a free quiz. You heard it right. OSHA Outreach Courses has launched a free quiz for everyone to test their OSHA knowledge and see if they are fully prepared for workplace safety regulations. Whether you're gearing up for your OSHA 10 or 30-hour training, this is your chance to assess yourself and sharpen your skills for free. Before you take your official OSHA certification exam, it's crucial to practice. This quiz will help you understand key OSHA safety standards, learn about worker rights and employer responsibilities, identify hazards and know how to mitigate risks, and boost your confidence for the final exam. Now let's put your knowledge to the test. Here are a few sample questions. Think you can get them right? Question 1. OSHA is an acronym that stands for which federal government agency? A. Occupation Services and Hiring Administration. B. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. C. Occupation Selection and Health Administration. D. Occupational Surveillance and Hiring Administration. The correct answer is B. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. OSHA is the agency responsible for ensuring safe and healthy working conditions by enforcing standards and providing training. Question 2. Which of the following hazards is the most common cause of fatal accidents in construction? A. Electrocution. B. Being run over by equipment. C. Falls. D. Being struck by machinery. The correct answer is C. Falls. Falls are the leading cause of death in construction. OSHA requires proper fall protection, guardrails, and training to prevent accidents. Question 3. What should an employer do when a workplace hazard is identified? A. Eliminate the hazard. B. Send the employee home. C. Provide PPE without further action. D. Ignore the hazard if no injuries have occurred. The correct answer is A. Eliminate the hazard. The best way to ensure safety is to remove or control hazards before they cause injury or illness. Think you're OSHA ready? These were just a few of the many questions that could be on your exam. If you want to test yourself further and get a feel for the actual OSHA 10 and 30-hour quizzes, click the link in the description to take the full free OSHA practice test. Why take the quiz? Gain confidence for the OSHA exam. Learn key safety protocols, spot areas where you need improvement. Ready to level up your OSHA knowledge? Click the link now and take the full free OSHA practice test. Take the free OSHA quiz now, insert link. Enroll in OSHA 10 and 30-hour training today. Want to become an OSHA certified safety expert? We offer comprehensive OSHA 10 and 30-hour online training to help you master workplace safety. Sign up today and stay compliant with OSHA regulations. Enroll now. Like, share and subscribe for more OSHA safety tips.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.